Betty's Cooking Channel. Today is our fourth part of the pre-prep Thanksgiving dinner party that we are planning. So keep watching. I'm going to pour the hot water in the bowl here, and I'll mix that up really well. And I'm gonna add 1 cup of mayo to this bowl here. That's about a half a cup. I'll do 1 more. And we have 1 cup of mayo. The mayo is gonna really make it very moist. It'll be a delicious chocolate cake for non-keto people. So I think I'm gonna try to make this same cake a keto cake. That should be very easy to do. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add my 3 eggs. Janet, would you like to say hi? I have a guest.
Good morning.
Okay.
Excited, I'm watching.
Okay. All right, Emma. Okay. I just placed the chocolate cake in the oven for 30 minutes. It's on 350 degrees for 30 minutes. This is the cake, the chocolate cake. I took it out of the oven. It's now cooled off. I might put some frosting on it, but I'm not really sure at this moment. But that's what it looks like. This is 2 pies that I'm making here. And I have the pie crust over on this side here. I didn't make these, but they fit my pie pans perfectly. Okay. I don't know if I got that. Okay. Let me see, did I get that? I don't know if I did. Okay, I'm gonna add a 1/3 of a teaspoon of nutmeg in here. And I have to add 2 eggs. So you'll meet Smitty today. He'll come over. He works at a restaurant. He was working at a barbecue restaurant, but now I think he works at a nightclub and cooks there. Okay, this is the cake. I took it out of the oven. This is the cake. I have added some frosting to it. And I have added my pumpkin pie in the oven. There's one ingredient that I didn't show you for the pumpkin pie. I added butter to it, 1 stick of butter to the pumpkin pie. One is in the oven right now, and this is the one that I have to put in the oven a little later. Okay, this is the cornbread dressing here. So I'm gonna go ahead and strain some of the stock over the dressing. It is here. I have my strainer. Just straining some of the juice over it. Let's see how much that is. It's kind of hot. I don't want to. I just took the pumpkin pie out of the oven. It cooked for 45 minutes on 350 degrees. So I just placed the other pie in the oven a few minutes ago. I added a half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of chives, half a teaspoon of parsley flakes, and a half teaspoon of thyme. So right now I'm mixing everything up. On this side I have some chicken I need to add to the dressing. Added 2 tablespoons of butter to the dressing, and I'm gonna add 1 whole egg to the dressing, and that will be it. I'm gonna add the 1 egg and mix that up again. And remember, this is just 1 pan of cornbread. Now, if you have more people coming over, you need to do double that amount. So this is enough for the people that is attending the dinner today. See, we prepped a lot of things, but you can't prep everything. So today is more or less the day I cook everything. So this is chicken. I'm gonna cut them in smallest pieces in the dressing. Okay, turn that off now. Now I debone the whole chicken, so I only use 1 chicken for this recipe. But again, if you're making it for a larger crowd, you're probably gonna do twice as much stock that I made. So just double the recipe if you have more people coming. Okay, I'm gonna add some butter on top of the dressing. That's what makes it so good. About 3 tablespoons. Make that 4. And this is going to go in a 350 degree oven for an hour. This is going to cook for an hour. This is the broccoli cheese bake. It's ready to go in the oven. I'm going to go ahead and add the cheese to it. Okay, I added the cheese to it. Okay, so I'll let you see it when it comes out of the oven. There's some things that you can't prep before a dinner party, and this is one of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some plastic wrap over this and stick it in the refrigerator. This is the cauliflower cheese bake that I just took out of the oven. It looks beautiful. So these are the pumpkin pies that I made. Here's the other one. And here is the chocolate cake and the cauliflower cheese bake. And